What's up, guys? It's Alex out here at Premium Exotic Wholesale, Bloomington, Indiana. Beautiful sunny day. We're gonna jump in this 2012, do a full, complete walk around of this 8.3 liter Cummins, 165,000 original miles. Let's jump in, take a look. 11R 22.5. It's the X-Line Michelin's crazy nice tire, very expensive tire. Nice running boards, still excellent shape. Dual 50-gallon tanks on this. Def tank right here. Super easy, accessible. You have the block heater right there. Battery tender plug-in right here. Super easy and accessible as well. Coming around the back, you have the nice storage that you can expect all the time out of a sport chassis. 275, 70, 22.5s on the rear, like new. They are Michelin's. Nice polished aluminum wheels. Diamond plate on the bed. It is set up. It already has fifth wheel rails in there. Has a gooseneck ball hitch here. Glad hands already plumbed to the rear, and has a nice truck toolbox already mounted in the bed here. As you come around to the back, you've got a nice bulletproof hitches. If you guys are familiar with bulletproof hitches, super nice 7-pin here, backup camera, aftermarket that's set up to the hitch, and you got your Voyager camera system plug-in right there. Super easy, pre-wired for it. 2 5/16 in the bed, if I haven't said that. Coming around, you still have all the nice storage all the way around this thing. Diamond plate interior on those. 8.3 liter Cummins, 350 horsepower underneath the hood. Lots of power, lots of torque. Allison 3000 series 6-speed transmission. Let's jump in. I'll show you a few pieces of the technology that they upgraded in this truck. Real clean, excellent deal. Let's jump in. All right, guys, here we are inside the cab of this truck. 164,222 on the miles. Very well cared for truck. As you guys can see, they went ahead and did an engine monitoring system on here so they can keep track of boost, coolant temperature, average speed, oil pressure, all that kind of stuff. They were very, very big into maintenance. Super nice, unique system to have here. Cobra CB right here. Talk to the truckers. You know, breaker 19. Super nice upgraded stereo in here. Got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all that kind of stuff. That way your phone can be connected up to date. You know, 2012, we didn't have that kind of stuff. You do have backup lights, you got backup camera, mirror heat, rear dump on the bags. You are pre-plumbed here for a Hensley Air Ride hitch. Pre-plumbed, ready to go. Electric windows, electric locks, lots and lots. We just got a new windshield, getting ready to install the window there. Haven't done that yet. The window is still being, drying out from being sealed up. All the books, all the manuals right here, like new from the factory. Guys, it's 92 degrees today. It's super warm. Air conditioner works great. We've got the doors closed up in here. I'm a thick fella, I'm warm. Nice ceiling. Updated DVD player right here in the center. All the optical buttons for all the lights all the way around. I know it's light out, so you can't really tell there. And guys, rear heat and AC in this thing works great. Wouldn't have it without it. 12 volt up front. Lots of features, lots of options, brake controller. We can go on and on and on with this, guys. 812-390-4977. Crazy clean, interior's clean. 812-390-4977. A lot of life in this guy. Give us a shout. Check out more photos of this at premiumandexotic.com. Email me direct at alex@premiumandexotic.com. Talk soon, guys. We'll see you next time.